And the only thing we like less than snakes is the yellow pine pollen. And it is back. I'm sure you saw it yesterday and today on your car and every other thing. This is actually a live look outside right now of what we're going to be dealing with probably for the next 3 to 4 weeks. That's usually how long it sticks around, so I would hold off on all car washes until this goes away. And if yellow is not your shade, how about light blue? Because that's what we have on our frost advisory overnight. So early tomorrow morning, we're not going to get to freezing, but we're going to dip briefly into the 30s, cold enough where we could have some frost on your car, the front yard, or maybe some new plants out in the field or in your backyard. So keep that in mind. Could do some damage there. Widespread frost, probably not. And we're going to start a warm up right after that. Tonight, it is already cool as we look live at a real picture of what it looks like outside from our Whitley Law Firm weather camera. Live look at RDU tonight, where it is currently 48 degrees. By morning time, we'll be 10 degrees colder than that. 38 is where we're expecting to start on Thursday. And if at all possible and you have any control about your schedule tomorrow and you're thinking about staying up late for basketball, maybe you should just sleep in and avoid that, because the rest of the day looks great. Lots of sunshine, not going to be as windy as we top out at 65 degrees. Remember, basketball right here on CBS 17, Sweet 16. Back at it tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. And we're back at it with tonight's super sunset, but it's a super sunrise. Andrea was down in Garden City, down by Myrtle Beach last month, and she got up early for this super sunrise. Beautiful shot. Andrea and I actually used to work together years ago in TV. She was great at TV, but I got to be honest, I think she's a better photographer, so thanks getting up early on that one. Our sun is rising these days, by the way, at 7:10 a.m. And tomorrow when the sun comes up, it'll be a chilly start. High pressure in control, going to keep it dry and generally sunny for one more day. And then we've got a little rain to talk about, including for Friday. So let's first start with that before we get to the stormy weather Monday. So we'll pick things up tomorrow morning, and not a whole lot going on Futurecast. We'll zoom through the day, and that's your Thursday. Friday's a little different. Friday, we'll start off with a few clouds. Here we are at 7 a.m. Friday. And then as we go through the afternoon, we get to around lunchtime, little bit of moisture, very quickly going to slide through the area. That's it for Friday. I've got a 10% chance of rain, not for most of us, but that's what we're looking at Friday. And then here's what we're looking at Monday, our next big weather maker. It is another cold front that'll be here probably Monday night, but out ahead of it, showers and storms are still expected in the afternoon and evening, and there could be severe storms, and it's really for the whole state. Actually, both North and South Carolina, we remain in that severe weather outlook Monday. Strong storms and damaging wind, the most likely threat, but hail and even an isolated tornado are not out of the question. We've got a few days to get ready for that. In the meantime, enjoy sunshine and 65 tomorrow. Big warm up with that small chance of rain, 77. 80 on Saturday with dry weather. Few showers possible Sunday with mid-70s. Then there are the storms Monday for the final day of March. April begins Tuesday with cooler weather, and the rest of your exclusive 10-day forecast keeps us mostly dry with temperatures in the 70s.